Yeah, hi Christian, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your other laser for you, and it's all fully working. I've been testing it pretty much most of the day, and yeah, it's all good. You can see there. What I've basically done is your other part. I've got your other part here. Hang on 2 seconds. Sorry about that. Right, but I've got your other part here. Right, this is the other one that you sent me. I've taken all the good bits off of that. Alright, so this one here is completely stuffed. Alright, basically you've got a broken ribbon cable in there. I'm going to mark it with an X for you, okay, so you know not to use that and use it for whatever you can get out of it, bits and pieces, or just sell it or something. But this one here, yeah, I've taken the ribbon cable out and the motor, and you know, it's taken me bloody forever to be honest with you. But yeah, it's all done. It's all working as it should be now. So you shouldn't get any problems with that now. You've got a nice, good, fully working board in there that I pinched off of the other one. Yeah, so I'll get it off in the post to you for tomorrow. So you should get it Friday. Please keep me updated. Again, you know, you got your 6-month warranty on parts and labour. So if you get any problems, just give us a shout. Not that you should, but you never know. Thank you very much for your business. We do appreciate it. And anything we can do for you, just let us know. Thanks, Christian. Have a good one, mate.